Hey everyone, today I was trying to record on OBS Studio and the audio quality was horrible. I am showing you the example like this one here. Just listen to it. The design and you will find some of the templates related to our planner. See, see the sound quality. The sound quality was horrible and I was searching for YouTube for the solution and I came through various many solutions. I went for Windows, OBS, and so many. I went even if I asked ChatGPT, but finally I got the solution. And the problem was here, like the audio capture device. It was selected as default, and whenever I changed it, just microphone too, and clicked OK. Though there is no microphone attached in my device, I am using a Asus laptop right now. Though no microphone is inserted in my device, still whenever I am selecting this and I am then recording the video, then you can hear the sound quality is really awesome. So the next solution that I found for myself was to just change OBS Studio. I have downloaded the free cam, which is completely free software. And if I click on record, this will open up a screen like this. And you can see here, it is also just, I can also give my voice input into it. And if I click on the start record, now see, it's actually recording, actually recording the voice. And if I click on done, hey everyone, what's up? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Thanks for watching. Like I can play the video. Hey everyone, what's up? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Thanks for watching. See that much clear video, that much clear voice. And the next thing I need to do is I just need to just click on save project and it will be saved at a folder that I will choose. So the thing is that I just I'm not saving that. I just I am just moving from OBS Studio for this sound problem because I tried many way, but I didn't find any solution. And also, this software, this FreeCam, it is a free software, and maybe it has no time limit for recording, so it's a pretty good one, I think. And I don't see many people are talking about it, but I really think it's a really good one that can you substitute OBS if you are making tutorial videos and the only function of you is just to record the audio and your voice. That's it. Thanks for watching.